Good morning. Good morning. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, 10:21 Eastern Standard Time. Today, we're looking at three different cryptos and three different stocks in the overall markets. First, we're looking at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin has had a major move. It seems like people are interested back getting into it. I had a sell-off at just about just below the $56,000 range, and this is had a gap up this morning, very early this morning at 5 in the morning. I believe it's what it was. Let me see. Um, as I show you here, you can see it right up here. That's where it had that gap up, and it's holding at 55.7. So I sold $60 below this, but that's pretty good because I sold it. Why did I sell it? Because I wanted to buy some Safe Moon. I didn't sell all of my Bitcoin, by the way. I just sold some because I wanted to get into Safe Moon, and Safe Moon had a similar move as well. It also had a gap up. You can see it up here. Let me see if I can expand this for you. Right here, it had a gap up. And if I can zoom this out for you so that you can see it a little bit better, you can see it's holding right up here. I was attempting to jump in somewhere right in here. I'm still holding off because it can go back down. It might take 24 hours. It might not. If it keeps going up, then I might jump in somewhere around here. However, I am still holding with a price here. What's two more coins actually that I'd like to look at? HOGL. Sometimes this one doesn't come up on the screen. Let's see if it does. HOGL. Let's see what happens here. Uh, yeah, so it doesn't always come up on the screen up here. Let me see if I can pull it up some other way. And this one here is fairly new stock. I am attempting to invest at a lower rate. If I get in, great. If I don't, then I won't have that lower price. So now let me show you share this newer screen here so that way you can see it. There we go. Now this is HOGL. I'm attempting to purchase at 0.0002970. I'm trying to purchase 4.4 million coins in HOGL, and in SafeMoon, I'm attempting to purchase 0.0000455 at an amount of 47 million coins of SafeMoon. Now, why so much? It's because it's worth so little. However, these two coins here in the long run will burn. So this amount that I'm attempting to invest in here, although they're not completed, if they do fill, as you can see, it says here fill, then eventually it will reduce the amount. It will reduce the amount. As people sell their coins, this amount will stay the same for me, but for others, for those coins that are available, it keeps reducing, and that's a good thing. I don't know how far it's going to reduce, but SafeMoon is great because it's educational. HOGL is great because it's in the finance, and it's a fairly new coin out there that I am investing about $150. Maybe I'll put in another $100 in the next week or two. It depends on how it moves. One other coin that I'd like to show you is Doge. Doge, although it had a major drop, it has come back from that sell-off that it had a few days ago. And I believe it's worthwhile looking at that now that Elon Musk has made a a question in reference to investing with Doge. Doge is going to come back. It was at 54 here. Now you can see it came up here to the 70s, and then it came back down, right? This is on the weekend, and now it's down, hovering right here. Let me see if I can get a clearer chart where I can, okay, so now it's consolidating in this area right here at 49. It was going to go up. This will go up to $1 or more. I'm expecting news to come out from a lot of the major companies. I know that Amazon accepts BitPay, although they haven't really announced major news, because if there was major news, then it'd be moving much quicker. Now, I also want to show you in reference to the stock market, because a lot of people have been asking me, what's going on with my stocks? Why is it that I am unable to see gains? Well, the reality is that most people seem to be investing more into crypto than they are in stocks right now. Although there is huge movement, you can see these are my crypto choices right here that I search on a daily basis. You can see right here, this one has Mara has 8 million. Now, Mara has completely dropped. It's down to $24 a share. That's very low. And Riot as well. It would be great to be able to catch the bottom of some of these because these will eventually go up. Right now, you can see that Mara has had its low at 22 and now it's up 10% since this morning, since early this morning at 8 in the morning. Wow, that's amazing. Will it go up? Will it go down? I don't know. It depends on the sentiment of the people. I believe that in the next 2 to 3 weeks, the stock market should come back up and things should balance out because most people are just experimenting with crypto and they're not uncertain of what they're doing. The same thing with Mara. It also dropped to 24. There must have been some news at 8 in the morning that dropped somewhere, and that's why this drop happened down here. Let me just see if Bitcoin also had that same drop. It's consolidating right here. I thought it was going to go up to 56. It's still down at 55, 55.8. Not bad. If I would have fell down, I would have had $200 more of gains, $150 more of gains. But I'm pleased with that. Now I'm losing out on Plug and on Turks. I have about a $20,000 loss. If I bail out, it's a loss. Since I'm investing and I'm holding for the long term, I know these will go back up to 60. So this one here, Turks, will go up to at least 35 to 40. Turks, that's right. It's going to go up. I don't know when. I don't know exactly the timeline, but we will see these go back up. Whenever the stocks market is down in general, eventually it will go back up. If you cash out early, then you lose. That's the way it works. V-Ray is one of my picks for the long run. It was at 582. I'd say it's a good dip buy right now at 515 if you're interested. So that's it for my stock market and crypto update. If you're interested in investing, make sure you build your knowledge account. This Thursday, May 13th, we have a webinar in reference to showing first timers, newbies, on how to pick 3 apps to help them on their way to invest in crypto coins and to be able to have some knowledge in reference to investing. So that's it for today. Have a great day. If you're interested in that program, just follow the link in the YouTube. Make sure you like and share. You can subscribe as well. We need subscribers on this channel. We need you to support us by sharing because sharing is the best way to get the word out. Take care. Have a great one.